In today's video, I'll show you how to freshly install Windows 11 on your laptop or PC. So for this, what you have to do is just open up your search bar. In here, type for settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. And after you're in here, just go to the left-hand menu and go to system. Then just scroll all the way down till you find something called recovery. And inside recovery, under recovery options, you'll find reset this PC. This is basically gonna reinstall Windows for you and you'll get a freshly installed Windows. So from here, just click on reset this PC. After that, it's gonna give you two options. Keep all your files or remove everything. If you want a freshly installed Windows, you must click on remove everything. That will make sure to delete everything and reinstall our Windows for you. So just select this. After that, just give it some time and it will tell you that if you want to download Windows through the cloud or local installation. If you download it from the cloud, it's gonna download from Microsoft server, but it's gonna take 4 GB of data. If you select local, then it's gonna install it from this device. I'm gonna select cloud. And after that, it's gonna show you all the settings over here. If you agree to them, just click on next. After that, just give it some time. It will start to reset your computer. But make sure to back up all your data before all this. I'm gonna hit cancel because I don't want to reinstall my Windows. But if you want to reinstall your Windows, that's how you do it. And basically, that is how to freshly install Windows on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.